and we're gonna pull up all the dead stuff. Okay, so I have pulled up everything from in the bed. I haven't really disturbed the soil much. Hello, welcome back to Yolee's Choice. The gardening season has begun, but I'm gonna do a follow-up because I remember last year we started the mango tree. I had 2 mango trees, and I started them from seed, so we started gradual growth of the mango tree throughout the season last year. So now I'm going to give you an update on the mango tree. So let's take a look. So I'm going to cut off this tree so that this one in the back can have a chance to grow. Alright. So this is the 2 mango trees that I've grown from seed last year. Look at them. What I'm going to do this season is put them in bigger pots. Maybe next week we will do transfer to bigger pots for both of them and see how they go for the season. I'm excited to see how big they're gonna get. I'm not necessarily saying that I will get fruits from it because it is a tropical plant, and but we will continue to grow them. So those are the 2 mango trees, and here that's the update from the 2 mango trees from last year. Oh, pretty big. Well, welcome back to Yolee's Choice. Today we're gonna be prepping the bed for the upcoming season, and basically we're just gonna put some new compost inside, some new perlite, and get ready for the new garden season. Okay, so ow. And some perlite. This is for good drainage and vermiculite to retain moisture. This. Okay. Now we have to mix. So as you can see, we have compost, perlite, vermiculite, and then we're gonna put some fertilizer, some peat moss, and when I finish everything, then I'll put topsoil. So this is getting my soil ready for the gardening. First thing, so now we mix this all up. Mix up all of this. Get the soil. Okay, that's done. All right. So I've created a square foot garden. So now we will plant. I've taken off my greenhouse cover because it's raining, so let's get some natural watering going on today. Get my blueberries.